สวัสดีค่ะ Welcome back to Houseboat Thai Kitchen. I hope you guys are doing okay. It's this very nice weather today, so let's make a barbecue. The barbecue that I am going to make today is 3 ชั้นย่างขมิ้น or pork belly marinade with turmeric and lemongrass and black pepper. It is super delicious and we are going to eat this with Thai spicy sauce. Let's see how I gonna make it. Then we gonna marinate this with the pork. So I am going to put this in the plastic bag and leave this in the refrigerator for 30 minutes, and after that we can grill them. Okay, in the meantime we are going to make the sauce. This is actually called seafood sauce in Thailand, but it's basically matched with everything. Then taste it. Sap. Sap. Sap means delicious in Thai. Oh, looks super nice. Sad. อร่อย It's spicy, sour, and the pork it smells like a herb from lemongrass and turmeric. Super nice. so good. You can also dip this with the nam jim gel, which I used to post my recipe before, so you can check that if you want to try with that sauce as well. So good. Yes, that's what the recipe that I want to share with you guys today. So I hope you like it. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe if you like my video. I hope you guys will enjoy your summer. So please take care and stay safe. Bye bye. See you next time. สวัสดีค่ะ